Well, now let us continue with how we can find out integers without using number line. So our heading is working out integers without using number line. So let us go to example 4. In our example 4, part A, we are given positive 2 plus negative 3. So when you have this, you begin by copying. Write solution, you copy the work as being positive 2 plus negative 3. So here in the next step, this positive 2 we just copy the way it is with the intention of changing the sign here to make it only 1. So let us multiply positive times negative. So positive times negative we get negative, and we bring the 3 here. So now we have only one sign in between. Makes it very easy now to do. So we have positive 3 minus positive 2 minus 3. So since 3 is a larger value, we're going to make it to come on our left-hand side. Then this other one will go to the other side. So now we have negative 3. When we bring the 3 down, we bring it on the left, will be negative 3, then plus what? Plus 2. So now, since negative is on a larger value, we pull out that sign outside here. Since the sign there is negative, we pull out the negative. So negative divide by negative, we get positive 3. Then we come here, positive divide by negative, we get positive, and we bring the 2 here. So in the next step, we maintain the negative outside. Meanwhile, inside the bracket, we continue. Now, positive 3 here is the same as 3. Then this positive is here, 2 is here. And then we can simplify what is in the bracket now. Meanwhile, we should not forget that negative is outside. Then inside the bracket, we have 3 plus 2, which is the same as 5. Now, this 5 is having a silent positive. So to open the bracket, we're going to multiply those signs. So we have negative times silent positive, we get negative 5. And that is the answer for part A. Now, let us go to part B. Part B, we are given positive 6 minus positive 10. Now our solution, we are going to copy first. And that we have positive 6 minus positive 10. So since there are 2 signs in between, we multiply those signs so that we can get only 1 sign in between them. So negative times positive, we get a negative, while maintaining the rest here. We maintain the positive 6, we maintain 10. So positive, negative times positive, we get negative. So that in the next step, we know that now negative is appearing on a larger value, which is 10. So we need to first rearrange. So since 10 is larger, we bring 10 on our left-hand side here. Then we take negative 6 the other side. So now, in this step, we have negative 10 plus 6. Since 10 is having a larger value, the sign near the 10, we pull it out to make our work easy. So now we have a negative. Negative divided by negative, we get positive 10. Then positive divided by negative, we get a negative. Then 6 minus 6 here, we pull it down here. Now, in the next step, we are going to copy what is there. But now, since positive 10 is the same as 10, we're going to write 10. Then minus what? Minus 6. While maintaining negative outside. So the negative is outside. So what we are going to do, we are going to simplify what is in the bracket. We simplify what is in the bracket. Now we have 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, we get 4. In this 4 is a silent positive 4. It's having the positive sign, which is silent. It's not indicated there. Now, in the next step, we open the bracket. When we are opening the bracket, we multiply the signs. So we have negative times positive, we get a negative, which is negative 4. Now, let us go to example for part C. Part C, we have negative 3 plus negative 15. We write solution, we copy it as being negative 3 plus negative 15. So in this one, we multiply the signs in between. When we multiply positive times negative, we get negative. So that in the next step, we have negative 3 minus 15. So if it is like this, the one with the largest value, it is 15. The largest value, we bring it on our left-hand side to make our work easy. So now we have 15. It goes together with its sign next to it, which is here. And the sign must be on it, on what? On our left-hand side of the negative, of the 15, I mean. So now 15 comes with its sign here. Then negative 3 comes with the sign on its left also here. So now, since the largest value is carrying a negative, then it means we're going to pull the negative out. So negative divided by negative, we get positive. So that we remain with positive 15. Then negative divided by negative, in this case, we have positive. Then we bring the 3 here, we close the bracket. Now here we maintain the negative outside. Meanwhile, we handle the positive. We handle what is in the bracket. So we have 15 plus 13. 15 plus 13, we get 18. And this 18 is having a silent positive. To get the answer, we multiply the signs now. So negative times the silent positive, we get a negative. And the answer will be negative 18. In our part D, we have negative 1 minus positive 7. So we write solution. We come to the first step, which is by copying, which is negative 1 minus positive 7. So in this case, we multiply the signs, the two signs which are in between, multiply them. So when we multiply negative by positive, we get a negative. So that in the next step, we have negative 1 minus 7. So since 7 is having a larger value, we rearrange. We bring the one with the largest value on our left-hand side, which is here. Then negative 1, we bring it that side. So that we check. The one with the highest digit, the one with the largest value, we only pick that sign, we pull it out here. Since the largest value is carrying a negative sign, we pull out the negative sign. So that in the next step we divide. Negative divide by negative, we get a positive. We bring the 7 here. So negative divide by negative, you get a positive. Bring the 1 here. Now we can simplify what is in the bracket. Now we have positive 7, which is the same as 7. Then plus 1, we bring it here. So positive 7 here, we are now making positive to be silent in this step so that it can be easily understood. So here we have 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is the same as 8. But remember, negative is outside. So for us to get the answer, we multiply the signs. So while opening the bracket, we multiply the sign which is outside with the sign inside. So we have negative times silent positive. We get negative 8, and that is our answer. So you can now try these numbers. Here, exercise, we have the statement saying, work out the following. Part A, we have negative 8 plus negative 3. Then part B, we have negative 5 plus negative 1. Then part C, we have positive 4 minus positive 2. Then part D, we have positive 6 plus negative 9. Then E, we have positive 2 minus negative 7. So do this work. You send me answers in our comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel with the title Learn with Angelas. So now, and remember that our slogan says quality matters. So what I'm giving you is of very high quality level. The level of the quality is so high. So this is the best content ever. So with all this content, you can be ready to pass mathematics at your level. Thank you.